It's just wind. Yep, that wind is just tipping him. Oh man. Oh man, he did stop. He did right by stopping and pulling over so he wouldn't get tipped over. But the best case scenario here was to drive really slow, get to where he's got some kind of shelter to block that wind from tipping him over. But scary, scary. Wind is the most dangerous weather conditions out there on the road for us drivers, and I hope he's okay. Looks like it landed on the passenger side, so he'll be shaken up a little bit, but he should be going home to his family. Keep it trucking.